Hello, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, we can see now. We can listen you also.
Okay, so now we'll start with the other campaigns. So brand awareness campaign we have done. So I think all of you tried, right? Anybody still have confusion in brand awareness campaign? Okay, if anybody has, so next one we'll start with the reach campaign. So what is the main difference between brand awareness campaign and reach means? Brand awareness is basically about to get more impressions delivered to the targeted people. So whatever the audience we are going to give, if you want to show the ad again and again to the same people, you can go with the awareness campaign. And if you want to show that to the unique people, maximum number of people, instead of showing more number of times, if you want to show that to the unique number of people, maximum people means always you go with the reach campaign. And we have some different new options in reach campaign which are not available in brand awareness. We'll see that. Okay. So just come down and enter the campaign name. So something like Zeno reach campaign. Okay. So the company name and the objective name you can write something like this and click this continue. So what is the difference between campaign, ad set, ad? Already we have discussed. Campaign is the higher level hierarchy. Under the campaign, we need to maintain different products or services at ad set level. If you have some 10 service pages, you maintain 10 different ad sets. Under each ad set, maintain different ads. And write the ad set name. So one campaign, if you know the process, the same process you can follow in all other campaigns. Only slight difference will be there, nothing more than that. So write the ad set name, something like web design services. This is the ad set name. And we can create some web design related ads under this ad set. Select your Facebook page from the drop down. Here you have to select the Facebook page. And we have already discussed about locations, age group, gender, languages, and detailed targeting also. The same process which we have done in brand awareness campaign, you need to implement here. You can enter the specific locations like radius targeting or city or country, anything you can enter here. And after that, you can enter the age group. Okay, something like this. Enter the age group, gender, languages, detailed targeting. Detailed targeting means we need to enter the keywords. Enter some 10 to 15 keywords which are related to your business. Whoever liked the pages related to this particular keywords, those people we are going to target. Those people will see our ad in their timeline. We are not going to see our ad. We are going to show the ad to all the people who liked the pages related to this particular category like set of pages. Something like this. Whenever you enter the keyword, it will show you the suggestions. So based upon the suggestions, you can also put the cursor here and observe how much size is the size of the audience and what is the interest. Description means people who shown expressed, who have expressed or an interest in the pages related to web design. That is the process. Enter some 10 to 15 keywords here. Connection type means if you want to restrict the audience only to the people who liked your page, you can select this. Otherwise, you leave it. So if you have more likes, then only go for this option. Otherwise, do not go for this. So if you have more likes, then select this particular people who like your page. So if there are less number of likes for your page, then needle will come down because the audience size is less. Like this. Next you have to come down automatic and manual placement. The same process what we have discussed there. Automatic means in all the places ad will appear. Manual placements means you can restrict audience in some particular places by disabling this. Facebook right side, Instagram feeds, Instagram stories, Facebook page stories, and in-stream videos, in the messenger, in all the places you can disable or enable. That is your wish. You can go with the automatic placements if you want to reach more audience. Next you have to come down and the optimization for ad delivery will change in every campaign, in every objective. Right now the objective which we have selected is by default reach campaign. So reach will be shown. Again, in the drop down, if you see, impressions also will be there, but it is strongly recommended to go with the reach option as optimization for ad delivery in the reach campaign objective. If you are running the brand awareness campaign, then you go with the impressions. So we will serve your ads to the maximum number of people. Here it is, people is important in the reach. Impressions means we'll deliver ads to the people as many times as possible. That is the difference. So we have a separate and dedicated campaign for brand awareness. So do not select impressions in reach campaign. Always go with the reach. Okay. And we have one more new option available in reach campaign, which is not there in brand awareness. That is bidding. So in brand awareness campaign, we cannot enter the bid amount for every 1,000 impressions. That means 1,000 times if the ad is seen, one time Facebook will charge. This amount is decided by Facebook itself in brand awareness campaign. But here in reach campaign, we have the control over the bidding. You can enter some amount, like how will you know how much amount you have to enter means we don't have any tool to check it. First you need to go with the automated bidding. Automated means do not enter any bid rate here. Run the campaign, observe the data. Based upon that you can bid later. For example, if I enter some amount and if I am telling Facebook, please get me 1,000 impressions at 50 rupees. Then based upon the conditions, locations, radius, everything you entered, Facebook will try to get the 1,000 impressions at 50 rupees. But if Facebook is trying to charge around 60 rupees based upon your conditions, but you entered only 50 rupees, then what will happen? You will get less number of impressions. That means you may get around 800 impressions or 700 impressions for 50 rupees. Because Facebook is trying to charge more than that. That is the reason we don't know how much we have to enter here. We may enter more or we may enter less actually. So always it is suggested to go with the automated bidding. Once you run some live campaigns, you will get some idea. Later you can go with the manual bidding. So budget and schedule, the same thing we have discussed. Based upon the monthly budget, you decide the daily budget. If the monthly budget is 30,000 rupees, daily budget will be 1,000 rupees. If you want to run 2 days, you can select the start date, end date. If you want to run 10 days, select the start date, end date, 10 days. Like this, the same process what we have discussed, and tax also will be shown here. The same process whatever we have discussed in brand awareness campaign. Next you have to come down. This frequency cap is also one new option which is available in reach campaign and which is not there in the brand awareness campaign. So in brand awareness campaign, why frequency is not there? That means the brand awareness campaign objective itself is showing that to same people again and again. That is the reason frequency option is not available. But here Facebook is suggesting you can also keep some cap on number of impressions. That means every day I want to show the ad only one time to one person. Every day I want to show my ad one time to one person in a day. For example, 1 impression per day. 1 impression every 1 day if I keep, 1 person will see my ad 1 day. If I keep 5 means, that means 5 times ad will be shown to the same person in a single day. That is called frequency. How many times? Keep people from seeing your ad too often. Enter the minimum number of days that should pass before someone sees your ad again. That is optional. Whatever you want you can enter here. 1 impression 1 day or 2 impressions 1 day. 1 impression every 3 days. That means every 3 days one person will see the ad. Like this you can decide and you can give the number here. And when you get charged means here also amount will be deducted for impressions only, not for clicks, not for conversions, nothing like that. Conversions concept later we'll see. So amount will be always deducted for 1,000 impressions. If you do manual bidding, then Facebook will charge according to that. If you don't do manual bidding, that is automated, for every 1,000 impressions once, one time Facebook will charge. So just you have to come down, click this continue. So we have entered the audience, placements, budget and schedule. The next step is same process, whatever we have discussed previously. You need to enter the only objective changes here, nothing more than that. And give some name of the ad, web design, add one, something like this. Select your Facebook page from the drop down. Select your Instagram account. That means by default, if your page is connected with Instagram, it will detect automatically. And one thing you have to remember, one page we can connect with only one Instagram account. Multiple Instagram accounts we cannot connect. This page is already connected with Instagram account. That is the reason it is showing. How to connect your page with Instagram? Already we have discussed in the page settings. In the page settings, you will be having an option called Instagram on left side. You click it and connect to the Instagram account. So just come down and select the single image or video or carousel. Carousel means scrolling images. Up to 10 images you can add. 10 images like 5 images, 5 videos, 2 images, 2 videos like that. Around 10 you can add. Scrolling. For every image, content you need to write separately. Headings, call to action buttons. Initially you can go with the single image or video, but in our For our campaigns, we are doing carousel ads. Most of the time, we'll do carousel ads to showcase multiple images. Initially, for practice purpose, you can start with the single image or video and follow the dimensions. Whatever it is suggested by Facebook, you can go with these dimensions. Tell your designer to get the images in these dimensions. And always you can go with the normal campaign. If you want to show the mobile optimized landing page, that means if you select this instant experience, ad will appear only in mobile device like a scrolling vertical landing page. This is optional. If you don't select also, no problem. Just you have to come down. And the remaining process, everything is same. Just you need to write the content. And also we have discussed some text overlay tool. Facebook text overlay tool also we have discussed. That means whatever the image you have, you just need to upload that image in the Facebook text overlay tool. Check whether content within the image is more or less. If the content present in the image is very high, it will reach very less number of people. Okay, so after that upload the image. Already the one image is there. If you want to change the image, you can go with the edit image option and upload the new image. And add the headline, add the description, enter the website URL. The same process, whatever we have discussed in the brand awareness campaign, nothing more than that. But one important option, one change you have to observe here is some call to action buttons will change in the reach campaign. In brand awareness campaign, we don't have the call now button. So if your client is into local business and if they want to get more calls from Facebook, then the best campaign is call now. That means reach campaign. So this call now button is not available in brand awareness campaign. If you want to get more calls to your client from mobile device, calls will come from mobile device. Ad will be shown in desktop also, but people can call your client from mobile device. That is the main advantage of this. So the different options which are changing in reach campaign is, one is objective is reach and one is bidding. Bidding is not available in brand awareness campaign, but in reach campaign it is there. And one more is frequency. Frequency also it is not available in brand awareness campaign. And another one is call to action buttons, call now button. These are the major differences you can see. And once you are done with this, you need to click confirm. It will go for review. After the review, it will come live. Then you will get the data. Even data also will be same like brand awareness campaign only. You will get the reach, you will get the impressions, and you will get the clicks, link clicks, everything will be same. Only the difference you need to observe here is objective is changing. The process will be same, only the objective will change. What is the objective here? We want to reach more people, not number of times. So I'll show the reach campaign reports also. So how will you filter the campaigns? Search by campaign name. Search by campaign name. These are all the different reach campaigns we have done. So results are nothing but here it is reach. So you will get the reach, impressions, cost per result. Okay. And the important column which you have to add here is go to the performance columns and add the performance and clicks. This particular metric if you add, then automatically the important columns will be added. Performance and clicks. Reach means unique number of people. People means always reach. Okay. The number of people who saw your ads at least once. Reach is different from impressions, which may include multiple views of your ads by the same people. Okay. Frequency means how many times each person saw the ad. Cost per result. What is the meaning of?
Excuse me, what is the difference between reach and result?
Reach and results. Both are same only. Here the objective is reach, so results will be reach. If you run the likes campaign, the results will be likes. If you run the lead generation campaign, results will be leads. So whatever the objective you are running, that will be the result. See the metrics here. Same. Okay. And cost per result is nothing but cost per 1,000 people reached. Cost per 1,000 people reached. So the budget spent here is around, yeah.
Yeah, so before starting a campaign, how to know like how much budget we need to run the campaign? Any approximate pricing Facebook will give?
Facebook will not give anything. According to our client budget, as we have discussed, daily budget is nothing but, so the formula of daily budget is total budget divided by number of days. For example, in your company, you want to run the ad for 10 days. You want to run the campaign for 10 days. And your client has given 10,000 rupees. Your client has given 10,000 rupees. And 10 days is the time, number of days. So, daily budget. How will you decide this? Total budget divided by total number of days. If it is 10 days, you keep it as 10 days. If it is 20 days, you keep it as 20 days. Total budget is how much? 10,000 rupees. Divided by total number of days. Yeah, 1,000. So like this, you need to decide based upon the total budget and total number of days. Okay.
Okay, only after running campaign and only we come to know the per impression cost.
Yeah, after running the live campaign only, you will come to know what is the CPM. Per impression, it will not show you. CPM means 1,000 impressions. For every 1,000 impressions, what is the amount deducted by Facebook? This is the CPM. This CPM we have not given actually. This is decided by Facebook itself. This is decided by Facebook itself after running the live campaign. Average cost for 1,000 impressions.
Before running campaign, we can't promise clients how much.
Yeah, we will not get anything.
Okay,
So 1,000 impressions, how much? Total impressions, how much? That's the cost. 1,000 impressions, 31 rupees. 62,000 impressions, 2,000 rupees. Like this it will come. And here also you will get the link clicks, cost per link click, and total clicks, CTR. The same data whatever we are seeing. In every campaign, this metrics will be same. Some one or two metrics will change. If it is a likes campaign, results will be likes. There you can see cost per like. Okay. So like that, some one or two metrics will change, but most of the data will be same. Okay. Most of the columns will be same. In every campaign, amount will be deducted for impressions only. So this breakdown also we have discussed like by delivery, by time zone, by delivery, by time, by action. You can see the data here, and you can download the data by generating this date range. Select the date range and download the report. Okay, so that is the process. What are the three things you need to remember here is reach means unique people always, and frequency, call to action buttons, bidding. These are the options which will be changing in reach campaign. Okay, so next one we'll see traffic campaign. I'll share one file today. You can just go through that. One notes, I'll share it.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Will there be a price difference between brand awareness and reach?
It is not about price difference actually, it is about impressions based upon the conditions you are giving. Whatever the campaign you run doesn't matter, but Facebook will charge for every 1,000 impressions based upon the conditions you are giving, like location, age group, and gender, radius. These kind of options will be considered by Facebook, and Facebook will decide the price. For example, if you want to get very cheap likes in India, if you run a likes campaign, cost per like will be approximately around some 3 rupees or 4 rupees, not less than that. For any client you take, minimum 3 to 4 rupees it will take. But if you run the likes campaign in some other lower level countries like in Pakistan, Bangladesh, at very low cost, within 30 paise or 40 paise also will get the like, because the competition is less, as well as some countries based upon their browsing behavior and based upon the keywords, Facebook will charge less. Pricing will be different for every campaign based upon the conditions you are giving, not based upon objective. Your location, age group, gender, interest, these kind of options will be considered by Facebook, and it will decide the price for every 1,000 impressions. Okay.
Can I do multiple campaigns?
Yeah, we can create multiple campaigns. Yeah. At a time means first you have to create one campaign, one brand awareness campaign. Next you can make it live. Next you can create the reach campaign, traffic campaign. All the campaigns you can make it live. For every campaign it will fetch the amount from the total budget which is there in the billing section. For example, you recharge some 10,000 rupees in your billing section. Okay, so one campaign you can keep it as 1,000 rupees. You can schedule it for 2 days. One more campaign 3 days. One more campaign 4 days. Totally 3 campaigns. You can split 10,000 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is traffic campaign. So the main objective in traffic campaign is to get more visitors. To get more visits, we need to run this campaign. Click continue. The same process will be entering here also. You need to enter the ad set name, campaign name. And here the main objective is to get more visitors. Website will be the default option. You can also select the app or messenger or WhatsApp. If you select the WhatsApp, you can also select your page and connect your WhatsApp number. By default it will show like this. You can also select the messenger. That means you will get more message to your page inbox. You can also select the app to get more app installs. So you can enter the Play Store URL. For example, Easy Drive, something like this. This Play Store URL you need to enter from the Google Play Store actually. This app install campaign later we'll see. In the traffic campaign, the major objective will be to get visitors to the website. So select this website option. We have exclusive app install campaign. At that time we'll see that. Just you have to come down. And here if you see the objective results on right side, the estimated results it is showing like based upon your objective it will show the data. Like here the objective is to get more visitors, landing page views. Landing page views means people who are all coming to the website and viewing your pages. So this is the number of landing page views that we estimate you can get each day based upon your campaign performance and estimated daily reach. The actual number of landing page views you get may be higher or lower than the estimate. This is only the estimated number. Based upon your daily budget, this landing page views estimated number will be changing. If you increase the daily budget, here also the data will increase. Next you have to come down and here also you need to enter the locations. Locations, languages, keywords, age group, all these things are same. And connection type. Connection type means if you want to show that only to the people who like your page, select this option, otherwise do not go for this. Next you have to come down, placements. Placements means automatic manual. Wherever you want to show you can enable. If you don't want to show in some particular places, disable in the manual placements. So all the settings are same. Every campaign the settings will be same. Age group, location, gender, keywords, this automatic placements, manual placements. Only the point you have to remember in this screen is optimization for ad delivery. What is the optimization you are doing for this particular campaign? Because the objective is landing page views. So landing page view means how many views landing page views you are planning to get to your website. Based upon that, you can enter the daily budget. If you want to get some 10,000 landing page views. So for example, if I enter the 1600 as a daily budget, how many views it is showing? 2.4 to 2400. In case if you get any product in your company also, client will tell you my budget is 2000 rupees. How many landing page views I may get per day? They may ask you like this. Okay, your client will tell you my budget is 2000 rupees per day. How many landing page views I may get? Then what you have to do, you need to come to this screen, enter the 2000 rupees here, take the screenshot and put in a slide, put in a PPT and send it to the client. So 2000 rupees daily budget if you keep, you will get 3000 landing page views per day. And this is the estimation given by Facebook. We cannot guarantee that. That is the reason it is showing as you may get more or less. It is not equal. So in any company, if they want to give some products initially, they will ask you to send a proposal. So while creating the proposal, it will be useful. So if the client is asking you, if the client tells you like I want to spend 5000 rupees per day, how many landing page views I'll get? So take the screenshot and send it to them. And here also amount will be deducted for impressions only, not for landing page views actually. Amount will be deducted for impressions. Just observe here, when you get charged impressions, whether people are clicking the ad and going to the website or not doesn't matter at all. The purpose of running this campaign is to get more landing page views, but amount which is deducted is for impressions. Amount will be deducted for showing the ad in Facebook, not for landing page views. You may get 0 landing page views also, but it doesn't mean that Facebook will not charge the amount. It will charge. Okay, so it will charge for 1000 impressions once. In the 1000 impressions, some people may click your ad and they may come to the website. Some people may not click your ad. If they click that, you will get the landing page views. If they don't click it, you will not get. And here also some other objectives are there. So if you read this, you'll understand. We'll deliver your ads to the people who are more likely to click on your ads link and load the website or instant experience. So as we have discussed previously, Facebook will be having its own algorithm and backend software which will analyze the audience first. Any campaign you run initially, in brackets there will be learning option, learning. Facebook algorithm will read the audience, will understand the audience. So if your objective is landing page views, that means you're asking Facebook, I want to show the ad to the people who already clicked the ad related to my business. For example, you are continuously clicking the digital marketing course related ads and you are loading the websites. And I am also running the ad related to digital marketing course. My ad will be shown to you. Okay, because you are the specific audience to my business. If any person is seeing that but he is not clicking the ad, then my ad will not be shown to that person. Okay, so like that, more likely to click on your ads. We will deliver ads to the people who are more likely to click on your ads link and load the website. It will analyze the audience behavior, which person is clicking which type of ad. To those people only ad will be shown. Next, link clicks means we will deliver your ads to the people most likely to click on them. Just they will click it and they may not load the other pages in the website. They will close the website immediately. But if my objective is to show that to the people who are clicking that and loading the website and spending some time on the pages, then Facebook will try to show the ad only to the people who are clicking it and spending some time on the pages. That is the meaning of objectives. So whichever the objective you want to select, but if you are in the traffic campaign, always it is suggested to go with the landing page views so that your audience will be more specific. Just to come down, Facebook will try to find the audience who are all clicking the ad and who are all spending some time in the landing pages.
So it means that in spite of it being your objective, your landing page views being your objective, you are still, the charging is not based on that. I mean,
Yeah.
because you're saying it will only be on the basis of impressions again.
Yes, yes.
So they don't take onus of giving you those many landing page views.
Yeah, it is not about getting landing pages, then only it will charge or it will not charge like that. Facebook is giving a platform where you have to advertise. Based upon your ad performance, you may get metrics. You may get likes or you may get landing page views. If you run a likes campaign or lead campaign or landing page campaign, if you are not getting the results, Facebook cannot do anything. It will just give you the platform where you have to advertise and it will charge for impressions. Okay.
Okay, so but in the case of reach, when you put down, then obviously it is as per then those are the metrics by which Facebook can control, which is impressions, reach, etc.
Even in reach campaign,
Those are second level objectives.
Yeah,
It's not within their control.
Yeah, even in reach campaign also, amount will be deducted for impressions only, but it will try to show the ad to the more number of people. Instead of showing more number of times, it will show to the more number of people. That is the reach objective. Okay. So the remaining process will be same. You need to enter the image and enter the title, heading, description, all these options. Ad creation is very simple process. What is the point? What is the concept you have to understand? It is only objective. What is the objective and what it will do? Ad creation is nothing but uploading the image, adding the headlines, adding the descriptions, website URL, call to action button. That's it. Okay. So here you have a website as a destination URL and Facebook event also. In case if you are having any event in your Facebook page, you can add it. Okay. So ad creation is nothing but upload the image, add the headlines, add the descriptions, website URL, display link, call to action button. Okay, this is the process, and just you have to confirm.
Hello, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, Surendra ji.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Now I have one question. Which all the most popular searches words in Facebook? How can we know about it? Is there any tool, something as such related to any particular product?
No, there is.
Say example like
There
a
is
flower, if we consider. So
Okay.
in flowers, which all the categories of flowers people are searching most of the time as maximum?
No,
So
there is
is there any such tool to find out for a Facebook to run a?
no, there is no tool actually. In the audience itself, we are getting the data. No? Like in the audience, if you enter the keyword, it will show you the estimated size. People will not, Facebook will not track the number of searches in the search box. It will show the estimated audience for this particular keyword. For example, web design, if you enter, if you click suggestions, what is the popularity of this keyword? Okay, people who have expressed an interest in or like the pages related to search engine marketing. That is the meaning. It is not about number of searches happened in search, Facebook search box. The meaning is how many people liked the pages related to search engine marketing, who has shown some interest. That means who has engaged with the search engine marketing related post or page likes, anything. We don't have any keyword in Google we have keyword planner. In Facebook we don't have any planner like this. But there is a tool called Audience Insights. Just you can see the popularity of the keywords. So Audience Insights we have. Okay. In the Audience Insights, you can just enter one keyword. You can see the interest. But the same audience insights we are getting in the audience level itself. Okay. While entering the keywords in the audience, we are getting the same thing. Okay, you can enter all the keywords here like interest, connections or age group and gender, location. It will show the estimated people, like interested people. Based upon
Mr. Suren, in between we lost you. Can you go back a little?
yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, now we are able to see.
Yeah, so there is a tool called Audience Insights. In this Audience Insights, you can enter the keyword, country, age group, gender, then it will show the estimated audience who are all showing the interest. Okay, who are all showing the interest. For example, we see this production, IT and technical services, 5% of the audience are matching based upon the location, age group, gender, relationship status. For example, digital marketing, how many people are showing interest. You fill all these details, you will get the data on the right side like this. The age group, gender, how many people are showing interest in that particular keyword. It is,
Can you go a little bit back? Actually, we missed you from the time the question was raised. So we don't know from where you are starting actually.
yeah, so just to click this drop down, click this Audience Insights under the plan. Under the plan,
This audience insight is
Audience Insights is just to know the audience data, like how many people are showing interest in any particular category of the keywords. Okay, so under the drop down, click Audience Insights, enter the keyword, enter the location, age group, gender. It will show the interest of the audience, how many people are showing interest in this particular keyword. That means keyword related pages. Actually, Audience Insights is not required because while entering the audience itself, while entering the keywords in the audience itself, we are getting the data. We are getting the audience size. Okay, that's a process. You just try this once. There is no tool like Keyword Planner in Facebook actually. In Google, we discussed about Keyword Planner. In Facebook, there is no tool like that. You can just see the insights of the audience. Okay, so here itself, you can enter one keyword. It will show the estimated size of the audience who has shown interest. Like this. Okay. So just you have to come down, click continue and create the campaign. That is about traffic campaign. So the results also will be same. Here the results will be landing page views. Cost per result is nothing but cost per landing page view. So if you go to the reports, click this search by campaign name. So here if you see, we have optimized the campaign for link clicks actually. Previously, we don't have landing page views option. That is the reason initially we optimized with the link clicks. So results are link clicks. And if you see the data here, reach means number of people saw the ad, impressions, cost per result. Cost per result means total cost by total number of results. Here the results are link clicks. So total cost divided by total number of results is nothing but cost per result. Okay. So reach, impressions, cost per result, amount spent, and frequency. The same metrics, whatever we have seen in other campaigns, you will get here also. But what is the objective here is link clicks. We have selected the objective as link clicks in the traffic campaign. So results are link clicks. The main objective is to get more link clicks. Okay. So you can also select the performance and clicks. You can see the impressions. Here also amount is deducted for impressions only. Whether you get link clicks or not doesn't matter. Facebook will charge for 1000 impressions. 1000 impressions, 46 rupees. 12,000 impressions, how much? That is the cost. Okay, cost, how will you calculate in any campaign means 1000 impressions, how much amount? Total impressions, how much? That is the cost. Cost equal to total number of impressions into CPM divided by 1000. Okay, so again I will show you if you want to understand how the cost is calculated in any campaign. 1000 impressions, how much deducted by Facebook? For example, 30 rupees is deducted by Facebook for 1000 impressions. You run the live campaign, you got some 6000 impressions. Okay, 1000 impressions, 30 rupees is deducted by Facebook, which is decided by Facebook itself. We will not give. Totally, you got 6000 impressions. How much? So the formula is total number of impressions into CPM divided by 1000. If you do, you will get 180 rupees. This is the cost formula in any campaign. Whether you get link clicks or not doesn't matter. That means here the campaign objective is results. The objective is link clicks. So results will be link clicks. If you get 0 link clicks also, Facebook will charge amount for total impressions. It will charge always only for impressions. And you will get the clicks, cost per link click, cost per link click through rate, unique link clicks. We are running a carousel ad with a mix of image and video. So we got 3-second video plays, percentage of video ad. Okay, so we are running a carousel ad with a mix of video and images. If you want to see the ad, I'll just show the ad also. The ads tab, we can go and click preview ad. We can see the preview of that, how the ad is created. So if you come down, okay, so this is the carousel ad actually. Some images and videos both we have kept. That is the reason we are getting video plays also in the reports. This is one image, this is one image. I think this is a video, images. So if you run the carousel ad with images and videos, in the reports it will show video plays also. Video plays also will be shown in the reports. Okay, so we got the clicks, we got the video plays, unique link clicks, percentage video watched, average play time. This is the data you will be getting in the reports. So the next campaign we'll see. Any doubts are there in this? It's clear, right? Okay, so one thing you remember, all the campaigns process will be same, only the objective will change, results will change. Okay, so optimization for ad delivery, that objective you have to remember which campaign objective, which one you are running. Remaining all the options will be same. You need to enter the audience, placements, budget and schedule, format, everything will be same, only the objective will change. According to that, we need to understand the campaign. Okay, so next one we'll go with the engagement campaign. So in engagement, again, we have 3 campaigns. What are those 3 campaigns means? Post engagement, page likes, event response. These are 3 different campaigns. These are 3 different campaigns. Post engagement means boost post campaign. Boost post means like if you post any image in your Facebook page, normally what it will show? It will show the number of reach. If you are not satisfied with the reach, what you have to do? You need to go with the boost post campaign. You can boost that particular post to get more reach. Normally, if I post any image in my page, who will see that image means whoever liked the page or whoever followed the page, they will see that image in their timeline. But if you are not satisfied with this reach, you need to go for the boost post campaign. Any image you post which is satisfying the dimensions, for every image boost option will not come below the image. Some people will think that why I am not will see that like why I am not getting this boost option below the image. For all the image boost post option will not come because there are some standard dimensions which you have to follow, which we have discussed in the image uploading section, like 1200 by 628 or more than 500 pixel like this. Then only boost post option will come. If you are not satisfied with this reach or engagements are nothing but likes, comments and shares or photo clicks. Everything will be engagement. If you are not satisfied with this organic post data, you need to go for the paid campaign. Boost post you have to click. Then only it will show to thousands and lakhs of people. Okay. So for example, we are running a boost post campaign for a client called Deluxe Fashions. Okay, so this is the ongoing campaign actually, boost post campaign. So if you observe here, this is the ad content which we have written. This is the ad content. Okay. This is the ad content. These are the images which are added in the post. Below this post, if you see, the reach is 1,41,808. This is the people reached. This many people saw the ad. Okay. And 19,659 engagements we got. Okay. And 871 messaging conversations. That means for this particular image, we have given send message button. After posting anything in your Facebook page, any image or video, anything like any content, you can select one button which is displayed below the image. So like this is a normal post which is posted in the Facebook page, and this post is boosted. That is the reason more reach and engagements are coming. This is the output I am showing you. This is the output. Like this we need. So if your client requirement is to get more engagements for any particular post, engagements means likes, comments and shares, you need to go for this campaign. So enter the name of the campaign, something like engagement, Genovo. Click this continue. The same process, like enter the ad set name. Ad set name means like web design services. You have to come down, enter the locations, age group, gender, the normal details, whatever we have discussed. In all the campaigns, it will be same. Locations.
Surendra,
Yeah.
is the like, shares and comments are they not organic? Then how does Google ensure that somebody does that?
If you post anything in the Facebook page also, you will get organic data. But if you want to get more engagements, you need to go for the paid campaign. If you want to get more, then only you have to go for the boost post campaign. Otherwise, no need to boost. So for example, you have some 1,000 likes or some 2,000 followers, something like this. Whoever liked your page or whoever followed your page, those people only can see the image in their timeline. But you have some limited followers and limited number of people who liked the post. You are not satisfied with the results. Then you have to go for the boost post. Okay. Using organic method also you can get the engagements, but it is limited. If you want to get more means, you have to go for the paid campaigns.
Surendra, one more question, please. Is it true that Facebook doesn't put across your post to all the people who like you and only to a certain percentage of people only?
Yeah, we are not going to show the ad to the people who liked our page. We are going to show the ad to the people who are entering the audience.
No, my question is different, Surendra. I'm saying if I put a post today, I'm not saying an ad, I put a post today on Facebook. Does that post go to all the people who have liked my page, or does it only go to some percentage of people who
No,
like
not
my
some
page?
people, all the people. Whoever liked the page, whoever followed the page, those people will get the image in their timeline. That is the reason we need to get more likes, right?
You should get
Yeah, definitely it will come.
100%.
If a person clicks the drop down from the arrow, that means if you are seeing any organic post in your timeline, you have an option to hide the post from this page. Okay, unfollow this page. Some options will be there. If you do that, then it will not come. Okay, like this.
Okay.
So enter the location, age group.
One more question is there.
Yeah.
In the start of conversation, right now you told that if it is a paid campaign, it will not show to the people who have liked my page. Is it so?
Sorry.
I may have overheard you told that if it is a paid campaign
Mm-hmm.
and if I'm posting it into my page, then it will not be shown to the people who has liked my page. It will be shown to the other people.
No, it will be shown to the people who liked the page, as well as it will be shown to the people whom we are entering audience. Both the people. But the reach will be,
100% it is going to be shown to the people who like the page. Additional audience will come.
Yeah.
We are targeting.
yeah, additional audience. Okay.
Oh.
So enter all the keywords, select the suggestions, and you have to come down. And if you have more number of likes or followers, if you want to restrict the people, if you want to show the ad only to the people who liked your page, then go for this option. If the audience size is less, do not select this option, because the needle will definitely come down if the audience size is less. Okay. If you have some 1 lakh likes and you want to show the ad only to the people who liked your page, then only go for this option. Okay. So come down, placements, automatic, manual, and here the objective. So this is the important option out of all this. Optimization for ad delivery here is post engagement. That means whoever is continuously liking, commenting, and sharing the post, for those people our ad will be shown based upon the audience behavior. So we will deliver your ads to the right people to help you get the most likes, shares, or comments on your post at the lowest cost. So here also we have automated bidding and manual bidding. So automated means amount will be deducted only for impressions here. You can also go with the average cost per engagement, but it will be more or less, and you may not know the exact amount which you have to enter. So just to go with the automated bidding, amount will be deducted for impressions. Fill all these details, click continue. Enter the daily budget, schedule, start date, end date, click continue. And here also the same process. Enter the ad name, like web design services ad 1, something like this. Now you have to come down, select the Facebook page, and select the Instagram account which is connected with your Facebook page. And what is the one more step here is, it is not like uploading the image, adding the headline, description, like that. You just need to select your post from the page. So click this select post option and select a post from your page. These are all the posts which are already posted in your page. Just you have to select one post and that will be boosted. So for example, you select one post, something like this, and make sure that select the post which is not having so much of content which is present in the image. Select a normal post which doesn't have any content at all. As of now, just one sample image is selected here. You can also enter the post ID. Post ID is nothing but if you click any post. Okay, so for example, So if you open the post in a new tab, you will be getting one ID on the top. That is nothing but post ID. You can just enter the ID also instead of selecting the post. Okay, so okay, I will show that later. We have a post ID option here. You just need to enter the ID here so that it will fetch the post automatically. Otherwise, you can select the post from your page. It will be posted. Okay. In case you want to add a new post completely which is not available in your page itself. Right now I selected a post from my page. If you want to add a new post which is not there in your page as of now. Assume that there is no post on your page. You can add a new post directly from here. This will be posted. This also can be posted here. So this kind of post are called dark post. Dark post means which is not available in your page but you are trying to boost that post. Okay. So a post which you are going to add completely new and which you are going to boost instantly, this kind of post are called dark post. And you can enter the call to action button if you want, otherwise you can leave it. Enter the website URL, something like this. Okay, so only 2 steps are there in this campaign. You need to understand the remaining options are same. Objective is post engagement, and what is the other step is select a post from the page and boost it. Whatever the content, this headline, whatever the description you have written above the post, whatever the image is there, how many likes are there for that particular post, everything will be fetched automatically. You will not write anything here. These things we have not written. These are directly coming from the post. So once you are done with this, you need to click this confirm. It will go live and you will get the data. Okay. So that is the only difference between other campaigns and this boost post campaign. Now once you run the live campaign, what kind of data you will get? Here the results are nothing but post engagements. Post engagements are results. So we'll go to the reports and we'll see the data. And here also amount will be deducted for impressions only, not for engagements. The objective of this campaign is to get more engagements, likes, comments and shares. So what kind of data you will be getting in the reports, we'll see. Campaign name containing boost I am giving. Okay. So our engagement will be okay. So this is the boost post campaign, because in the campaign name you need to maintain the objective name also, campaign name along with the objective name. So this campaign name is page post engagement. We are given like this, and this is the ad set. This is the ad. Now what kind of data you will get in the results? Results column is nothing but post engagements, likes, comments, shares. For that only we are doing this campaign. We have done this campaign and 1017 engagements we got. This may be likes, comments or shares. And reach, this many people saw that, 3861 people saw that. This is the people always. And impressions means number of times your ads were on screen. And if you select this custom performance and clicks, if you select means you can see more related columns. Okay, so 1000 impressions, 38 rupees is the amount deducted, and 3927 impressions, how much? That is the cost. So in any campaign, 1000 impressions, how much? Total impressions, how much? That is the cost. You may get 0 engagements also, doesn't matter, but amount will be deducted for impressions. And link clicks, if you give the call to action button, link clicks also will come. Cost per link click, cost per link click through rate, total number of clicks, CTR, CPC. Okay. So if you want to see the preview of this ad, we can see the preview of that also.
Yeah, Mr. Surendra, in the previous one, the results and the engagement numbers were different. What I understood from your last conversation, that both should be same.
Which one?
In the ad manager,
Yeah.
can you go to ad manager, please?
Yeah.
If you see the results,
Yeah,
the
definitely.
results are 1017 and the reach is 3861.
Yeah, definitely it will be different because only in the reach campaign, results and reach will be same. Now we are running the engagement campaign, so engagements are different, reach is different. Engagement means likes, comments, and shares. Reach means number of people saw that. If it is a reach campaign, then results will be reach. So results and reach column both will be same. Okay. This is number of engagements. This is number of people. In case if you see the reach campaign reports, results will be the reach. Okay, so reach and results will be same, but here it is different. Okay, you got it right?
Yeah, it's okay.
So this is the campaign. This is the ad content we have written, and this is the image which we are given, and these people liked the image, 6 comments and some clicks also may be there. So in engagement campaign, the main objective is to boost a particular post so that you will be getting more engagements. That is the only thing you need to understand. So select a post from the page and boost it. That's it. Nothing different, or nothing difficulty here. Next one we'll see. So results will be the engagements in boost post campaign, and cost per result formula is cost per result. Okay, so I'll show you the notes for this. Okay, so this kind of metrics you will get. Optimization for ad delivery is post engagement. Select a post from the page. Impressions, clicks, CPM, engagements. Engagements are nothing but results. Cost per engagement. How the cost is calculated? For total impressions. 1000 impressions, how much? Total impressions, how much? That is nothing but cost. And cost per engagement means total cost by total number of engagements. So cost per result. Here the result is engagement. Cost per result equal to total cost by total number of results. Okay, total cost by total number of engagements. That is nothing but cost per engagement. You will also get the link clicks if you give the call to action button as visit now or learn more something buttons. Cost per link click, CPC, CTR. Here also CPC will come because if the cost is there and if the clicks are there, definitely CPC also will be shown in the reports. Okay, it doesn't mean that you are bidding for CPC or bidding only for CPM. Always Facebook will charge for impressions only, but after seeing that, people will click that, so you will get the clicks. So if you get the clicks and if there is cost per click also will be shown in the reports. That is nothing but total cost by total number of clicks. CPC means total cost by total number of clicks. CTR means click through rate, clicks divided by impressions into 100. So I'll share this file today. You can just go through this. And next campaign we'll see likes campaign. We'll finish with the likes campaign and we'll continue the remaining topic later. So how to create a likes campaign we'll see now. Go to the engagement. And just you have to come down, select this likes. So how will you get normally how will you get more likes? If you create a page, if you invite your friends, you will get more likes. You invited your friends, but still they are not liking. Or else assume that you have 1000 friends and you invited 1000 people, you got 1000 likes. But still you are not satisfied. You are you are willing to get around 10,000 likes. Your target is to reach around 10,000 likes within a week. Then you have to go for the paid campaign. Okay. And even you can promote your Facebook page URL like facebook.com/the ABC. That is the page URL. You can promote your page in LinkedIn groups, in Facebook groups, wherever you can, wherever it is possible, you try to promote, but still you are not able to get more likes. Then you have to go for the paid campaigns. Okay. And even there are some like exchange tools also. Previously, before some 4 to 5 years back, while working in some companies, we have done this kind of negative techniques also. But now Facebook is not accepting this kind of techniques actually. There is a tool called addmefast.com. Okay. Likesforlikes.org. These are some likeforlike.org. Okay. I think this malware is blocking the sites. Okay. So you can check the sites called likeforlike.org. Add me fast. In my laptop, it is not opening due to some antivirus issue. There are some artificial tools through which you can generate 1 like for 1 second also, like exchange tools. That means if you go and like some pages randomly, they will also come and like your pages so that you can generate 1 like per second. But this is a black hat technique. Temporarily you can show the likes, but after some time, after 1 day or 2 days, or after even 6 hours or 7 hours also, Facebook will ban those fake likes. Okay, many people will think that we can generate the likes. Except this Facebook likes, other techniques like Twitter followers, YouTube views, everything we can generate artificially. 1 second, 1 follower, 1 second, 1 view also we can generate using the tools called addmefast.com, like number 4 like.org. You can try that once. Okay, now we'll see the paid campaign, how to create a likes campaign. Enter the campaign name, click this continue. Enter the ad set name, select your Facebook page. This is important here. Select your Facebook page to which you want to get likes, and come down. Locations, age group, gender, languages, keywords, and do not select this option because your audience size will decrease, and you have to come down. What is the optimization for ad delivery here is page likes. We will deliver your ads to the right people to help you get more page likes at the lowest cost. It will try to show the ad to the people who are likely to click your ad, likely to like your page. It will not show that ad. It will not show the ad to the unwanted people who are not liking the pages. Continuously, Facebook will analyze the audience who are liking the pages related to your business. For those people only, ad will be shown. And again, here also, based upon your daily budget, the estimated likes number will change. For example, if I enter only 500 rupees per day, Facebook will show you this many likes you may get per day. Depends upon your requirement, you can enter the daily budget. If the client is not satisfied with this number of likes, still you have to increase the budget. And even we'll discuss about how to get likes at lowest cost. What is the procedure? The next step we'll see that. And control, this is nothing but automated manual bidding. By default, amount will be deducted for impressions only. Here also, amount will be deducted for when you get charged impressions. Whether you get likes or not doesn't matter. If you get, that means you are getting so many views for your ad, so many people are seeing your ad again and again, but they are not liking. Still doesn't matter, Facebook will charge. If you get 0 likes also, Facebook will charge. Okay. So that is automated bidding. Click this continue. Amount will be charged for 1000 impressions. For every 1000 impressions, amount will be charged. That is nothing but CPM. So already we have selected the page in the above this audience page. We have selected as this page. You have to come down. Here there is no carousel option, only single image or video. You have to just come down and enter the content, select your image and enter the content. Okay, write some content here, upload one image following the dimensions. And if you observe here, we don't have any call to action buttons called visit now or go to the website or call now. This kind of buttons will not be there. This is a simple ad. Just you have to select an image, upload the image, write some content. People will see the ad like this and people will like the page. Okay, and here the ad will appear only in the placements called mobile newsfeed and desktop newsfeed. Even the likes campaign ad will not appear in Instagram also. You cannot see the likes campaign ad in Instagram. You cannot see the likes campaign ad in Instagram stories or Facebook stories or Facebook in other places, in other sections like audience network in some places. Only in mobile newsfeed and desktop newsfeed, likes campaign ad will appear. People will see the ad, people will like the page. That's the only way. And they may also like, comment and share also. And you cannot add the call to action buttons. There's a simple process. Just upload the image, write some content. The ad will be displayed like this. Okay. Now what kind of data you will get in the reports? So the optimization for ad delivery is page likes. Optimization for ad delivery is page likes. Upload the image, enter the text. These are the only steps you have to enter. Enter the age group, gender, locations, languages. Select your page, upload the image, enter the text. This is the ad creation process. What kind of data you will get? You will get the impressions, reach, clicks, CPM, likes, cost per like. Cost is calculated for total impressions. Cost per like is nothing but total cost by total number of likes. Cost per like means, so in case of like, you just remember this as like a result. What is the result of this campaign? Likes. So cost per result equal to total cost by total number of result equal to total cost by total number of results. So cost per like equal to total cost by total number of likes. CPC means cost per click and CTR. So we will see the data. How will you get this? So go to the filters, the search option, campaign name, contains likes. Click apply. So these are some different campaigns. If you observe, results are likes because this is a likes campaign. And here also you will get the reach. Here also you will get the impressions. Reach means number of people saw the ad, number of likes you got, total number of times they have seen, and you can also add the performance and clicks. This is the important column you have to remember to get most of the results. Most of the important columns will be displayed after adding the performance and clicks. So the amount deducted for 1000 impressions is 111 rupees. Total amount deducted for this particular campaign is 1879 rupees. 1000 impressions, how much? 111 rupees. Total impressions, how much? Okay. And here there is no call to action button, so we have not got any link clicks. Clicks, CTR, CPC, page likes. So if you observe here, cost per like is nothing but cost per result. Cost per like is showing as for some campaigns it is 8 rupees, some campaigns it is 4 rupees. So your client may ask you, why we are getting cost per like at 8 rupees, why not 2 rupees? So how will you get the cost per like at 2 rupees? What is the cost per like formula? Total cost by total number of likes. Total cost by total number of likes. So if you want to reduce this cost per like, anyway the amount is deducted for impressions only, but based upon the number of likes, cost per like will be shown. So for example, assume that cost is 100 rupees, which is calculated for based upon impressions. Assume that cost is 100 rupees, likes are 10. You got some 10 likes. Okay. So cost per like is 10 rupees, 100 by 10. In case if I want to get the cost per like as 2 rupees, Your client may ask you why the cost per like is 10 rupees, why not 2 rupees? If I want to get this at 2 rupees, then what is the meaning means? We need to get more likes. Then only cost per like will be decreased. When will you get more likes? If you want to get more likes, what you have to do? So what we have to do means, no need to increase the budget. Client doesn't want to increase the budget, but he want more likes. The only way is to create an attractive ad so that more people will like your page. Explain the benefits of your products or service. No need to change the audience, no need to increase the budget, no need to decrease the budget. The same conditions, but create an attractive ad so that more people like. When people will like your ad, if it is attractive, if it is useful, then only they will like it. So client will not allocate more budget. Any company will not give you more budget to get more results. They will give you limited the same budget, but they will be keep on asking you to get more data. So for example, this month you got some 100 leads. Next month also they will give you same budget, but they will ask you 200 leads. Or you got 100 likes this month. Next month they will ask you 200 likes. The same process you need to implement. Create an attractive ad. Slightly you can change the audience, but budget wise they will not increase. Okay. This is all about likes campaign. In the next class, we'll continue the remaining campaigns like engagement, event response campaign, video views, lead generation campaign, all this. Okay. Any doubts are there up to here?
Sridhar, just one basic question.
Yeah.
If I am putting an ad in my Facebook as a post in my timeline, okay,
Okay.
and I am then using that ad, that post, and I'm